Just started out. It's a new thing, and we like to bring you new things that are going on, exciting things, positive things in the community, including the schools. And that's why we come to school every Wednesday, and we will be doing it again in the fall, I'm sure. But here in this technology lab at Thurgood Marshall Elementary School, they're using the same technology that they use at engineering schools like Drexel and MIT. Very impressive. Here's our family portrait here. As they say, we're a family here at Thurgood Marshall. We're in the technology lab, Thurgood Marshall Elementary School. Fascinating things going on here, including these kids who are designing cell phones, okay, on the computer. They're working with cell phone technology. This is elementary school, folks. It's amazing.
Last day of school, and of course, Sue at school every Wednesday. We're going to miss that for a few months, right, Sue?
And you were talking about the murals that make the city so special. Something else that makes Philadelphia and the region special is the Future City competition, and the students here at Thurgood Marshall enter it every year. So this is their City of Justice 3 competition. They're demonstrating pneumatics, hydraulics, wind power here, and also electricity, all the different forms of energy that you can do so many different things with. And we'll look at this in more depth while we look at the forecast. They're counting the minutes, but still there's a lot of fun and a lot of learning to be had here at the Technology Lab, Thurgood Marshall Elementary School, where these kids are working on the computer-aided design. It's the only elementary school in the country licensed to use this program. Let's take a look at the forecast for today. And we told you a little bit earlier about the video yearbook. And we all have our yearbooks from school, and they're books with paper. There's Mr. Johnson, who spearheads the project every year, and there's Thurgood Marshall, for whom the school is named. So they have this yearbook with the principal, and you see pictures of the principal, and then follows them from back when they were in 5th grade, and then you can see what they look like now in 8th grade, and they're graduating tomorrow. Mom and Dad will be so proud.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
Sue has a tear in her eye.
Well, you know, it's bittersweet because you've been in the same school for, in this case, maybe 8 or 9 years if you came to kindergarten here, and you're excited about moving on, but it's kind of sad.
At the same time, you still have those memories that you want to hold on to.
I cried at my...
Finally, Lego Mania today on the University of Pennsylvania campus. More than 350 students from 20 Philadelphia public schools put their robotic creations on the line. Working in teams, they spent the past 2 months designing and assembling their Lego machines.
This is NBC 10 News at 6.
NBC 10 at Thurgood Marshall High School in Olney today, where more than 300 students joined IBM in an early celebration of Blackness Week. Today's lesson was the science behind how sound is created. There were several interactive demonstrations like this one that involved hip-hop music.
Architects are sharing their visions of the future. 30 teams of Delaware Valley middle school students showed off their designs for cities of the future. This is part of a regional competition held today at Drexel University. Look at that. The model cities were designed using sophisticated software and built from recycled products. The winning team gets to compete in the national finals later this year in Washington, D.C.
From KYW3 Philadelphia, this is Eyewitness News at 6.
Tonight, the future engineers of America were in Philadelphia today showing off their vision of tomorrow. Teams of 8th graders entered their designs in the local Future City competition at Drexel University today. Students designed cities to deal with common problems of today's urban area.
Action News, Delaware Valley's leading news program with Gary Papa, Dave Roberts, and Jim Gardner.
In West Conshohocken today, 6 college graduates were honored by the Pennsylvania Higher Education and were able to graduate college and help others through their jobs.